Good morning, fellow traders. It's Monday morning and my daily technicals here today, March 31st, and it is the end of the first quarter. And what a quarter it has been. Big ups, big downs, and now here as we're looking at the daily time frame here on the screen, we're seeing a clear breakout of the support level here on the 431 basis points on DAX. We don't trade on this daily time frame, but with our overall market sentiment and the macroeconomic data, we get our overall idea where to go. Last 2 weeks trading has been pretty much counter trend, as you know. Friday returned also close to 8%, and I wasn't shorting the market by no way. I'll show you where I took my longs against the dipping trend. So I was looking for those bounce backs for on the price, and I'll show where I did it. A few month makers last week on the 5 minute time frame. This week, US economic events will move the market. Nothing major today, but April Fools tomorrow. S&P final manufacturing PMI, construction spending, and ISM manufacturing job openings also. Wednesday, ADP employment factory orders, and then followed by Thursday initial job claims, trade deficit, and S&P final services PMI, ISM services. So from Tuesday till Thursday we'll be riding interesting market macroeconomic news, but nothing major today. Like the tariff wars wouldn't be enough of events. They surely will be. Nikkei has been slumping. The futures are slumping again Monday morning as Asia has opened, and so everyone be cautious out there. And let's drill down from the daily time frame to our intraday levels and see where we are and how we could possibly look at these markets today or prepare for tomorrow. The oscillators here, as you know, I overlay them together and look for grouping together or the oscillators to move together or staying at a level. As you can see now on the daily time frame, they are nothing of that. They are dipping down hard. Also, the fast stochastic has picked up the slow-moving stochastics, and they are diverted from each other. So the market is confused, but the direction is clear. So by right, it's nothing interesting for us. However, when we drill down to the shorter time frames, as we use multi-time frame levels even for our entries and exits, we might be able to see those highly oversold conditions where we can more likely be able to step in with the other buyers. Okay, this is what it looks like on the daily time frame. It's here at 22,354 basis points, and it has broken down the major support. Looking at the 15-minute, what a confusion. And these are our trade points from Friday. This is where the market opened, and this was the aftermarket and market close all the way to close to 10 o'clock. I didn't trade on this 15 minutes. As you can see, this is very confusing and a lot of opportunity for you to lose money if you are on even on this high time frame. So 5 minute and confirmations from even from 3 minutes is more healthier if you want to succeed in these market conditions. And if you look for the ones where I took my trades on Friday, they were initially here before noon. Again, story remains like it did on Wednesday and Thursday. Market opens on high, very highly overbought-ish levels and dips down from the good looking market open, dips down for the following 2 hours, and then we find the oversold levels. And this, as we get the confirmation, the oscillators are grouped together. I took 3 trades, if I'm not mistaken, returned me some 8% on Friday. This was the first one. Then there was just 10 minutes here. These I couldn't stay possibly in this all the way up here, but as I interpreted this as the death cross, I was waiting for the market to bounce and got a confirmation. Took a long here and stayed with it for 10 minutes, sold the position. And again here, these might be the difficult ones where you don't get the real confirmation, but this is a fake breakout. But that's why you don't step in with the initial market move, and you can see that it's not from the Heikin-Ashi even, it's not confirmed, grouping to the upside. And sure enough, the market broke down as the US Open. So these are always the European Opens and the US Opens. You have to be careful with this volatility, as the market can make really erratic moves. And so this is the US Open, and it helped me to wait for the confirmation, and it didn't confirm, and it went down for a good 30 minutes to an hour before I was able to long here. I sold this position early enough, but of course it would have doubled my daily profits if I would have stayed all the way here. The oscillators can make really sudden movements, as I'm using the 20 and 3 values, and for the slow one 66 3 and 3. So I use highly leveraged positions, and I rather let go of the position early enough because I will get the same gain and benefit from even a shorter move than trying to force myself into a bad position. So that was the story on Friday. 3 trades in these dipping market, sliding market conditions. 1, 2, and halfway here 3. Those were my long positions counter trend. So you have to, if you want to trade on these markets, you have to alter your trading strategy. I'm not looking to short these markets. I'm not looking to short any markets because the shorts, as you can see, they're very erratic and they're very short-lived moves here on the DAX. So I just want to find a better place to buy in, meaning longing. And with my 5-year background on the markets, I can confirm that the biggest losses has been with leveraged short positions. And lesson learned, so I don't short, I wait for buying opportunities, and that's what I will be doing today and most definitely from Tuesday till Thursday this week. If you have been with the channel for a longer time, I might have had a little discussion and comments from some of you. If you haven't, if you're new to the channel, consider leaving me a comment. What markets do you trade? What kind of indicators do you use? And do you find any value of this double stochastic strategy that I'm using, introducing here on the channel? Hit that like button and let's notify other traders also about this strategy, and let's help them to make money and to avoid losing money on the markets. Okay, have a great Monday, and I'll see you here on the channel tomorrow again.